Imagine a scenario when we want to avoid running one of the tests. So there are many tests, test 1, 2, 3 and test 4, and there are many tests, and each are annotated with @test, @test, @test. But I don't want to run, let's say, this test and this test. Is there a way to stop this? Yes. So we have got an annotation called @disabled. It is used to disable or ignore the test class or the method which we want to test. So this test can be applied on the complete class level in which we are writing the tests, or to a specific method level as well. Adding this test will make sure that that particular test will not get executed. So it's like comment statement in the program. If you comment, that particular piece does not execute. So either we can comment this test, hence it will not execute, or we have to put this annotation called @disabled, and then it's not going to execute. Until JUnit 4, there used to be another annotation called @ignore, but in JUnit 5 it has changed, it is @disabled. And we don't have to worry about JUnit 4. We can go with JUnit 5 using @disabled. But in case you are using JUnit 4, you should use @ignore. Similarly, these methods will also change. This method this method is, instead of calling before all, it is called before class. This is called after class. And this method which gets executed always is called @before, and this is called @after, instead of before each, after each. But those were syntax of JUnit 4. For JUnit 5, this is called @before all, after all, before each, after each, disabled, and this is what you have to remember, and later on we have to do hands-on with them. So thank you. I will see you in the next video.